Yo, new working codes in Hunters. Welcome back. We're going to show you and redeem every single new working code. So make sure you guys like the video right now, subscribe because you don't want to miss out on all of these insane items, okay? All of these insane items that you can actually redeem into this video. We're going over and actually getting ourselves a bunch of free cash as well. The crystals, which I'm talking about, you can get the crystals. And also, if you want permanent double XP, you can get it right now if you comment down below hunt. Okay, comment down below hunt. Comment down below hunt exactly like this. Let me show you. Just like this, hunt. Comment down below hunt. I'll be choosing 3 winners for double XP, and if you do want, make sure you guys like the video right now and subscribe. I'm gonna be redeeming every single code. We get the first code. It is going to be ORRY SORRY SO. Shout out to this code. Let's go. The next code. Let's actually redeem this one. W game? Wait, how does it actually expire? No way. 500 crystals? 500 crystal code. 500 crystal code. 500 crystal code. Cry and then dolls. Cries, dolls, crystals. We got the 500 crystal code right here. You can actually redeem this one and get yourself 500 crystals, as well as the million code. 10 million code. Make sure you guys redeem this code. 10 million. This one gives you 100 crystals for free, as well as thank you code. Wait, you. Thank you. Okay, thank you. 100 crystals. We get the release code. Release for sure. If you didn't already redeem this one, you're behind. You're actually behind because that is the latest code. We also got another sorry code. Okay, another sorry code. Delay code. Sorry delay. Sorry for delay. There you have it. Sorry for delay. Bang. Sorry for delay code right here. Redeem, like and subscribe.